There are more than 12 different AI career paths, and half of them don't even require you to code. While everyone's fighting over the same few obvious tech jobs in AI, there's an entire ecosystem of AI roles hiding in plain sight. And some of them pay more than traditional software engineering roles. In the next few minutes, we are going to break down every major AI role, what they actually do day to day, and the exact skills that you need to get hired. Whether you are a student, career changer, or just curious about the future of work, this is your complete guide to AI job market. I'm Priyanka Vergadia, and on this channel, we decode the cloud, AI, and tech careers. And I've spent 15 plus years in the industry and have consulted many companies in their digital transformation. Let's start with the foundation, because every impressive AI system begins with one thing: data. And that's where our first crucial role comes in: data engineer. Now think of data engineers as the plumbers of the AI world. Their job is to build and maintain the massive pipelines that collect, clean, and transform raw, messy data into something usable. They ensure that the data flows efficiently and is stored securely and is ready for analysis. Now, they are the masters of databases, cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, Google, and programming languages like Python and SQL. If you love to build robust systems that require data, making order out of chaos, this is your gig. Now, data scientist. Once the data is clean, the data scientist steps in. These are the Sherlock Holmes of the data world. They analyze complex data sets, identify trends, build statistical models, and extract insights that drive business decisions. They are often the bridge between raw data and actionable strategies. Now, strong math, statistics, programming like Python and R, and insatiable curiosity are key skills here. They are asking the big questions and finding answers in the numbers. Now that we have our data and insights, it's time to build the brains of the operation: the machine learning models themselves. Now that would be done by machine learning engineer, or the MLE, which is the architect and builder of AI systems. They take the models designed by data scientists or researchers and turn them into scalable, production-ready applications. They're less about pure research and more about implementation, optimization, and deployment. They are experts in machine learning frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch, have strong software engineering skills, and understand how to integrate models into larger software systems. They make sure the AI actually works in the real world. So if the MLE makes the AI model production ready, who puts it into the apps that you actually use? That's the AI engineer. This role is a perfect blend of software engineering and AI. They build the features and applications that are powered by AI. Instead of focusing on creating the model from scratch, they are the experts at integrating existing models, whether custom built or from cloud services, into the web services, websites, mobile apps, and software backends. They build the APIs, handle user requests, and make the AI accessible to everyone. If you're a software developer who wants to specialize in building intelligent applications, this is the job for you. Now, on the cutting edge, we have ML researchers. These are the innovators pushing the boundaries of what AI can do. They design novel algorithms, experiment with new architectures, and often publish their findings in academic papers. Now, this role often requires a PhD and a deep theoretical understanding of machine learning, mathematics, and computer science. If you live to invent and solve problems no one has solved before, then this is your area. Now, their day involves experimenting with new architectures, running extensive tests, and collaborating with academic institutions. Usually requires a PhD. While ML engineering is broad, many roles specialize in particular AI domains. Now, NLP Engineer. Now, these are the engineers that teach computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. Think of chatbots, spam filters, language translation, or voice assistants. They work with vast amounts of text data, build language models, and then deploy solutions that allow machines to communicate with us. A strong grasp of linguistics, deep learning, and Python libraries is required and crucial to be successful in this role. Computer vision engineers, now these are the engineers that give machines the power to see and interpret images and videos. This includes everything from facial recognition and autonomous vehicles to medical imaging and industrial inspection. They build models that can detect objects, track movement, and understand visual scenes. Expertise in deep learning, especially convolutional neural networks, image processing, and frameworks like OpenCV are vital. But AI isn't just about building models. It's about integrating them into products and ensuring that they are used responsibly. Now, AI product manager is a role that sits at the intersection of business, technology, and the user experience. They define what AI products should be built, why they matter to users, and how they align with business goals. They translate that complex AI capability into tangible product features and manage the entire product lifecycle. Now, strong communication, strategic thinking, and a good understanding of AI's potential and its limitations are key here. Next is AI ethicist. Now, as AI becomes more powerful, ensuring it's fair, transparent, and unbiased is extremely important. AI ethicists and responsible AI specialists focus on the societal impact of AI. They identify potential biases in data or algorithms, develop guidelines for ethical AI development, and work to prevent the harm. This is a newer but increasingly critical role, often requiring a background in philosophy, law, social sciences, or a deep understanding of AI's broader implications. MLOps engineers are the unsung heroes who bridge the gap between development and operations for machine learning. They build and maintain the infrastructure and the pipeline that allows ML models to be trained, deployed, monitored, and updated continuously. They combine software engineering, DevOps, and machine learning knowledge to ensure models perform reliably in production. Think automated testing, version control for models, and robust deployment strategies. Cloud AI architects. Now, these architects design the overall cloud infrastructure and solution for AI projects. They choose the right services, compute, storage, databases, AI services from providers like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud to meet specific project needs, ensuring the scalability, cost effectiveness, and security. They need a broader understanding of cloud technologies and how to integrate various AI components into a cohesive system. Now, here's something most people don't know. AI still needs significant human guidance to work properly. AI trainer, data annotator, before models can learn, they often need meticulously labeled data. AI trainers or data annotators are crucial for this. They manually tag, categorize, and verify data like images, text, audio to create the high-quality data sets that models train on. This role is often entry-level but absolutely vital for model performance and accuracy, especially in areas like computer vision and NLP. Prompt engineering. With the rise of large language models and image generators, a new role has emerged: prompt engineering. Now, here the job is to craft precise, effective prompts to get the best possible output from these powerful generative AI models. It's a blend of creativity, understanding, and how these models think and iterate and refine. It's about speaking the language of AI. Now, prompt engineering, I like to call it and describe it as not a job, rather a skill that everyone needs to have to work with and use AI effectively. Feeling overwhelmed? Well, don't be. In this video above, I created an entire roadmap to breaking into AI. Regardless of your current background, I mentioned my favorite courses and structured study path there. So check it out. Now, core skills that everyone needs is Python programming basics, statistics and maths, understanding of machine learning fundamentals, and some SQL for data handling. Soft skills that matter, in my opinion, are communication on skills to explain complex ideas, collaboration abilities, and most importantly, curious and continuous learning. Now, multiple path to entry like computer science degrees, online boot camps, self-study with portfolio projects, or transitioning from a related field into a data analysis or software engineering are all great. Now, the secret weapon here is building a portfolio. Kaggle competitions, GitHub projects, real-world problem solving is what you need. Show what you can do, not just what you studied. So, what does the future hold? The AI job market is exploding, but it's also evolving rapidly. We're seeing increased specialization. Roles like AI safety, specialist, synthetic data engineer, and human AI interaction designer are all emerging. The key trend here is human AI collaboration. The future is not about AI replacing humans, but about humans and AI working together more effectively. So my advice would be start learning now, but focus on fundamentals that won't become obsolete. Problem solving, communication, and adaptability will always be valuable. We've covered 13 distinct career paths in AI. The opportunity is massive, and it's not just for computer science graduates. Whether you're interested in the technical challenges, the business strategy, or the ethical implications, there is a place for you in this field. Your background in psychology could make you perfect for AI ethics. Your business expertise could lead to product management. Your creative skills could be perfect for prompt engineering. The question isn't whether you're qualified, it's which path excites you the most. So pick one, start learning, and begin building your AI career today. If this helped clarify the AI job landscape for you, you will also like this video that I did on AI engineering and what the job really is. Drop a comment below telling me which AI role sounds most interesting to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.